Please welcome to video tutorials of C++ programming language, and in this video tutorial I will show you what happens when we exceed the limit or the range of the data types or the special data types. Okay, so we are just going to take a common data type which is used very commonly. Okay, so just take integer over here. So this will be different for all the compilers, but what I'm going to show over here will work in all the compilers. Okay, so I'm going to take an integer and just name it as a over here, and okay, let's go for the next line. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give a value something over here on the a, and okay, not now, but I will give a value later. Okay, and I will print the value of a. Okay, so this will just print whatever we have given here. This will print over here on the a. Okay, so this is very basic program, nothing else here. Okay, so if I put 0 over here, then I need to compile it and run it. Okay, run it. Okay, so this is 0. Whatever we put over here, if I put 10 over here, what happens? Okay, this will print 10. So 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 1 million is here. 1 million. Okay, so what happens over here? Okay, so it will print 1 million, nothing else. And if I put 2 more zeros over here, what happens? Okay, so this is the same thing. Okay, nothing new over here. But what happens if we exceed the limit or the range of integer? So in the previous videos I have told you what are the range. Actually, I didn't tell you the number, the figure of the range, because that is different for all the compilers. So these are just numbers, this doesn't matter anything. Okay, so I'm going to print this. This is nothing new here. Okay, let's put 2 more zeros. Okay, just put 1 more 0. Okay, so this is something new over here. This generates an error. So this is just a warning. Okay, this is not error. So our program is compiled and we can run it. So this shows us a weird number over here. Okay, I'm going to close this. Okay, just I'm going to remove 1 0. I'm going to compile it and run it. Okay, so this is another error. If I remove 1 0, then what happens? Okay, so this is inside the range. Okay, this will print the same thing. And if I put suppose I put 2 over here, then what happens? Okay, so still this is inside the range. Okay, no need to worry about. If I put 9 over here, then what happens? Okay, so this is outside the range, and this will print something different. Okay, if I put okay, just put 1. This is inside the range. Just make sure this is inside the range. Okay, what happens? Okay, so this will print all the same things, and if I put 1 0, then this will print something else. Okay, so this is it. Okay, just I'm going to open a calculator. Calc. Okay, CALC. Okay, just a spelling mistake. Here is our calculator. What happens? Okay, I'm going to put this number over here, 1 4 1. Wait for a while. I'm going to print something else. Okay, so what is this? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 zeros after 1. So 1. Okay, I'm going to put 1 over here. 1 3 6 9 and 10 zeros after 1. This is the same number over here, and I'm going to minus, and where is the output? Okay, I'm going to minus the output. Okay, I'm going to use my calc over here, minus 1410065,408. So what number comes? 858993, and this number comes. Okay, I'm going to minimize this and so that you can see this clearly. Okay, so I'm going to remove this and I'm going to put this figure over here, 8589934592. Okay, so I'm going to compile it, and still there is a warning, but this will print 0 over here. Okay, so I'm going to show you something. 92 at the end, and if I put 91, so this will go inside the range. Still this is not inside the range. Okay, what it prints, this will print -1. So what is happening? If I put 92, then what happens? Okay, so this will print 0. If I put 3 over here, this will print 1. Okay, print something. Okay, so this is 1. If I put 4 over here, this will print 2 over here. So this is just the game of range. Okay, so if you use something else like short or long, the range will be different and the output will be different. So what is here? So suppose you have someone's mobile number over here. So mobile numbers are generally of 10 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 digits are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. And if you want to take someone's number using CIN, and if you want to print someone's phone number using Cout, then that will be not a good thing for you. So what happens over here? Okay, so for this phone number this is okay, but the phone number, if the phone number is out of the range, suppose your phone number is 987654321 and 0, then what happens over here? So this is it will print something else, not your real phone number. This will print something else over here. So what will you do to print someone's phone number on the screen or anywhere? So this is not a good thing to store someone's phone number inside integer. You can use long integer or double integer or something else. You can just use integer array or something. So this is today's tutorial for you. So what happens if we go outside the range? So this doesn't matter anything, you can go anywhere. This is just a cycle. If you put so big numbers, then okay, just take example. Suppose we have a integer data type, and the range of integer is from 0 to 100. So if you put a is equals to 10, then it will print 10. If you put a is equals to 100, it will still print 100 on the desktop, on the output. Okay, but if you put 101, this will come back to 0. If you take 102, it will come back to 1. So this is just a cycle, and this happens when you go outside the range of any data type. So this is great for today. See you again tomorrow, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you again in the next video.